What if I told you that Google is about to redefine what a smartphone can do? Because the Pixel 11 is shaping up to be one of the most intelligent, powerful, and surprising phones we've ever seen. And today I'm breaking down everything you need to know before it officially drops. So make sure you watch till the very end, because there's a twist most people are completely missing. The Pixel 11 is expected to feature a refined premium design with slimmer bezels, a stronger recycled aluminum frame, and Google's brightest and smoothest display yet, likely a 6.3-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate that intelligently adjusts based on what you're doing to save battery, while keeping scrolling buttery smooth. And this display is rumored to hit new peak brightness levels, making outdoor visibility insanely good. Powering everything is the new Tensor G5 chip, built with advanced AI-first architecture, meaning this phone isn't just fast, it's smart, delivering smoother multitasking, faster app launches, better gaming performance, and next-level on-device AI that works without needing the cloud, which is a huge deal for privacy and speed. Speaking of AI, Pixel 11 is expected to push Google's Gemini AI deeper into daily life, from real-time call screening that sounds more human than ever to AI-powered photo editing that can remove objects, enhance faces, fix blurry shots, and even reimagine backgrounds with a single tap. And that's just scratching the surface, because AI will also help predict your habits, optimize performance, and manage battery more efficiently in the background. The camera system, which Pixels are famous for, is rumored to include an upgraded 50-megapixel main sensor, an improved ultra-wide lens, and smarter computational photography that delivers stunning low-light shots, sharper zoom, more natural skin tones, and cinematic video stabilization that rivals dedicated cameras, making it perfect for creators, vloggers, and everyday users alike. Battery life is another area getting a major boost, with expectations of a larger battery paired with AI-driven power management that learns how you use your phone, easily pushing all-day usage and beyond, plus faster wired charging and improved wireless charging support to keep you moving without stress. Performance-wise, Pixel 11 is expected to feel incredibly fluid thanks to tighter hardware-software integration, cleaner Android experience, zero bloatware, and long-term software support with years of Android updates and security patches straight from Google. As for the launch, all signs point toward a fall release, most likely around October. Staying true to Google's usual timeline, and pricing is expected to stay competitive, making it a strong alternative to flagship phones from Apple and Samsung. Now here's where things get interesting, because the real power of the Pixel 11 might not be its hardware at all, but how Google plans to unlock new AI features over time through software updates, meaning the phone you buy on day one could become even smarter months later, which is something very few brands are doing right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And before you go, here's the surprise most people don't realize. Leaks suggest Pixel May 11th introduce an exclusive AI feature that works completely offline, even in airplane mode, which could quietly make it the smartest phone ever created. So if you stayed till the end, you're already ahead of everyone else watching.